One manufacturer, which has been operating for more than 50 years, has managed to position itself as a leader in the sector, thanks to continuous improvement, capacity for innovation, and commitment to excellence. All of this has allowed it to manufacture very high-quality products, providing it with large profits and very promising expectations for future growth. But everything changed when a problem in the supply chain forced the factory to look for a new supplier. From that moment on, the number of incidents began to skyrocket. Customers began to express dissatisfaction with the loss of quality, which began to generate losses and put the factory's profitability at risk. A crisis management team was set up to resolve the incidents as quickly as possible. Every minute counted. The factory was not only losing money, but also the reputation that it had taken so much effort to build. Possible causes were considered, but to no avail. Not even the most trusted long-standing collaborators could find the key. John, the production manager, decided to look for a specialist who could help him with his case. After considering different options, he came across a company called INFINITIA. Something about them gave him a good feeling. They were specialists in this type of failure with extensive experience and success stories. After talking to them and explaining the seriousness of the case, an INFINITIA specialist quickly went to the factory to carry out a forensic engineering diagnosis. He collected various pieces of evidence, put forward hypotheses, and, after carrying out some laboratory analysis, finally identifying the cause of the incidents. The purchasing team had found an alternative supplier, but some requirements had become obsolete over time. The reference was not exactly correct, and that was causing the incidents. After speaking with the supplier and agreeing these new requirements, the incidents disappeared, and the business returned to normal operations. In addition, the management decided to continue working with the specialist at INFINITIA. They recommended implementing preventive analysis to avoid similar problems in the future. It was worth the investment, and prevention is better than cure, especially when reputation is at stake. Luckily for the company and for John, the crisis was resolved and everything returned to normal. But what will the next challenge be? In such a connected and competitive world, surrounding yourself with the best can make all the difference. Thanks to INFINITIA and forensic engineering, it is possible to determine the cause of a failure, either to solve it or to determine responsibilities. INFINITIA Industrial Consulting. Real solutions for the problem of real companies.